Now you see it. Now you don't. And the wood is installed. Ooh, ooh, farmhouse. Hey team, I forgot to tell you about the other new addition. Look at these puppies, they came today. Well, they were finished today. And my husband installed them and put new knobs on them. The 3 glass ones. So we're gonna, keep our pretty things in there so we can see them. And it just makes the room look deeper because you can see through to the back, you know what I'm saying? So there they are. Glass. We used to have frosted glass, if you'll remember, and this was one of the last things to get finished. So now we simply await the countertops. And there's that piece of wood we just put in. Which goes with this little beam. And I'm going to be putting little brackets under that. And I'll take you over and show you the brackets. I've got 4 of these, so I'll be like sticking them up here somewhere. Adding a little something, something. Okay, next thing you see might be those or some beautiful countertops. 2 weeks maybe. Okie dokie, got these little scroll work things up, these little brackets, these little iron corbels. And over here as well. Just for the effect, let's put a light on here. Ooh, there's some lightning and thunder outside. Yeah, so there's a little country kitchen, alrighty. Well, 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 it's 8 o'clock at night and I had just got a phone call about an hour ago saying tomorrow is installation day. So I quickly cleaned off the counters because they're getting yanked. And I got in under here, cleaned that out for the installation lads. Grabbed the new faucet, put everything over there. Bit of madness there. Cleared off the nerve center. That's been removed. We've got to get these little lights. Where are they? Hello, lights. Got to get those things yanked. So it's never looked cleaner. Big day, not much notice, but we don't care. It's pretty exciting. Just hope they have a plumber with them. Got to get a new sink installed and reattached. Exciting! I'll show you what happens tomorrow. This little room's gonna look different. Let's get a little long shot of this dark little kitchen. Yeah. Good morning, it's Quartz Day. The sink has been delivered. Let's have a look at my existing Renville faucet again. Oh, yeah, so the guys will be here in a little while with our quartz. So exciting. I've had coffee, so I'll be yappy today. Oh, Quartz Day.
There you go.
Well, well, well. There she is. Look at here. Come up here, Lulu.
That looks like a nail. I haven't seen it yet.
Well, there's two right here. Well, you can see from the other side. Like.
Good with that.
Woohoo! I see movement.
Good job.
Yeah, there was
Those two screws that are killing it.
Got them out, and it wasn't easy. I tell you, these things were built to stay. But they beat them. There was all kinds of hidden screws in here, so it wouldn't come up. There was all kinds of hidden nails in here. There was 2 layers of plywood on here. That's ancient history now.
This is only 3 stairs here. That's not too bad. I heard Jason say like 6 flights of stairs. Oh, that's the other job. It was 6th floor or something. That sucks. But they have an elevator. It's $5 a picture. You know.
Okay.
And the video, that's like very expensive.
Videos are more?
It's like we're in Mexico.
Yeah. First piece in. We don't know what that's doing in here, but I'm sure they do. Obviously, it's to put something really heavy on and wheel it about. Anyway, first piece looks good. We had to do a little touch-up painting, and we had to shim it, raise it up so it would meet the glass, because it was quite a bit less thick than the original piece. Oh yeah. Looks so real. But it's fake, man-made material on Quartz Day. It's just hanging there by, I don't know, God's good graces.
It's being held by this thing.
Yeah, don't touch. Anyway, the big piece is coming soon.
Looks like they got it supported a bit.
We'll help him down there. Yeah? Yeah. You gotta step when I step. Ready? I don't know if I can lift that right. Yeah. Don't lift that much. Ready? Yep. Go to balance. Yep. Oh, it's so much lighter when you're holding it too. Go help Matt or Tommy. She got it. Ready? Go in the sink if you can. Oh no. Hold on, I gotta readjust my. So I gotta get over here, Matt. Sorry? Move your hand. Myself. Okay, go help. Don't need that should be good there.
Here we go, Clyde.
Go in the middle there, Matt.
Kind of hoping that Sig Saber will.
And up between the cabinets. Yeah. Take it off? Yeah, take it off. Push. No. Boy, that's tight. Is it too tight now? Is it going on those things?
Oh, she's in. She is in. And so is she. The lights are up there with some epoxy, some silicone. We put the little piece of wood back later. They'll come back for that. That's the edge, that's the profile. It's called Summit. It's kind of like, it's not square and it's not bullnose. It's slightly rounded. So pretty. I shall be working here and enjoying this. And it goes so nice with my kitchen. My cabinet colors and everything. They did not break the backsplash getting it out. They did a very good job. Sheets of glass, not ruined. Siliconed edges. Look at the graining here. This little piece is pure white. You didn't get much in the line of graining. Huh. Yep, the sink has been siliconed in and under it, and it's seamless and beautiful. In fact, this whole piece, I don't know how many feet this is, 10 feet long, seamless, which was why it was so difficult to install. Yeah, no breaks in it. And look at this veining. Gorgeous. What a lovely little farmhouse kitchen. Look at that. So much brighter and lighter. Now I might lime wash this area. Whitewash and lime wash. I'll just see what it feels like after a while. Get used to it. See if it needs that. But yeah, it's a brighter room. It's a whole new look from what it was like before. I've got a little bit of cleaning from greasy drawer hands. Greasy drawer hands made an appearance. You know, little schmutzies here and there. No big deal. Right, Lulu? Lulu, do you like it? Do you like it? Not impressed? Oh, you look so baleful. Well, Mama likes it. And that's all that matters. We had a lovely plumber come and put this in. And get this all functional. Woohoo! Woohoo! How does this work? Spray, regular. I get 2 buttons. And off. And the beautiful sink is functioning. My first impression is that it's just too pretty to work on. I mean, compost box, compost bin on a beautiful bit of this. Woo! It's almost too pretty to use. Everything looks prettier on it. I mean, you could do surgery on this thing. Some debris. Just getting used to it. Here we are with everything in place, minus the lower doors there. That'll go on today. It's our little countertops, everything in place. Beautiful sink. Yep, little washing products snugged up. The tea area, the coffee and toast area. Oils, knives, spoons. This kitchen's made for dancing. Let's ignore that. Let's ignore it. Ignore it. Okay, we can't ignore that. But yes, How gorgeous. Yeah, we got those little lights to work and we need to just put that up with some silicone. Otherwise, it's completed. Happy viewers. This is the part where we come to the end of our line as far as renovating that kitchen. I'm going to flip you around and show you the completed version. Feel free to sing along. Oh, oh yeah, here we go. Outside, the ledge. Look at that veining. Look at that farmhouse crisscross business and those lovely bin pulls. The milk glass. The glass doors with only white things. Oh, there's a letter M. Only white things are allowed in there. Not being prejudiced, just a color choice, okay? For dishes, that's all it is. And then those guys. And look, it's just so fun to work on this. Look at my sink. New. Who knew that new could be so fun? And that business up there. You've seen it before, but oh, looks good today, I must say. The black goes good with the white. I didn't have to get stainless steel fingerprint showing stainless. No, I just went with my old black. Black is also a good color. Look how pretty. And that's the island, the nerve center. Yep, I finally got that little trim put on. This little trim. Now we can just enjoy this. And I love the sound when something hard hits that, because it's hard too. So, took a while. Look at the lovely edges. Took a while, but it's sure well worth it. And now I'm just going to enjoy. Oh yes, white. Like this area. So the house is finally balanced. I love my little farmhouse. And there's that little thing over there to match. Let's not ignore it. Oh yeah. Have you had enough? You want to come over for a cup of coffee at my new kitchen? Well, make an appointment and get in line. Because that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Sayonara for now.